Okay, YouTube friends, I was thinking of doing a live streaming today with um, the weeding of these onion chives that we have here. Looks like it goes to the other side. Oh, kind of scary, eh? But only to find it out that my new phone is out of battery, so I have to recharge that one, and so I cannot do live streaming. Instead, I'll have to do this filming here, and we'll upload this video later on. It's a really hard, YouTube friends, to have your work at school for the whole day, and then when you come back home you have to dress for the garden, and then you're in a hurry because before it gets dark, at least you can do something in the garden. And this is what I'm doing now. And these onion chives that we have here, I planted this one last October, around second, third week. So it's been 1 month time already that these onion chives have been sitting here on these pots. And you might be asking me why I'm putting all these pots in an elevated area. So if you haven't watched my other videos, so I'll tell you the reason, the very reason why. Because the chickens loves to scratch, finding bugs and worms, and this type of soil that is really healthy, they knew that there's something in here, and they will scratch everything. They don't care actually, the onion chives, but of course when they scratch, everything will be damaged. And then I think one or two of them started to discover eating this top end of these onion chives. I mean the top end of each young stalk. They started, or maybe they explore eating, and I think they seem to like it. So before, my only fear is that they have to damage the onion chives. Now I've got two reasons. They might consider this one as their favorite delicacy. So it would be better for both parties, for the chickens and the plants. That's why I have to separate this. And if you have watched my other videos recently, I've mentioned there that I even showed about the Himalayan mulberry update, that I made a garden enclosure. Maybe I'll show you that one. If you didn't watch my other videos, I show you my garden enclosure where I just finished building it out of PVC pipes and some garden screen that I have here, so that I can freely plant vegetables inside without the chickens that can possibly harm it. So you know what, YouTube friends, this has been 1 month sitting here on each of these pots, and look at the sizes of the onion chives. Some are really thin, because they have too much competition. Some of the fertilizer, some of the nutrients that these chickens manure and garden soil and mix it together have been consumed by the weeds and the plants. So this time it's time for me to provide vindications for the onion chives. I need to clean, and so I think we're running like I don't know how many minutes already. Maybe 5, 6. So we're about to finish. And I think once I can maintain cleaning this area, YouTube friends, the next video about these onion chives here will be more good looking than this one right now. So, and I'll give you some background of these onion chives. I got this from a friend who loves gardening, but I think he's back to Philippines now. He gave me like around maybe less than 10 bulbs of onion chives, and then I tried to reproduce that one over like around 2 years, more than 2 years now, and we've got a lot of onion chives. Actually, I have around 44 pots that has already um, onion chive plants in it, and then I think I'll clean this one again this Sunday. We're in a rush of cleaning these onion chives. I hope YouTube friends that you will support our YouTube channel. Yeah, I told you lately that it's not easy to have work as a teacher and then you're in a hurry going back home to do something in the garden, and then the whole evening you have to prepare your teach lessons, your teaching lessons, and then you do some forex trading as well. Of course, I only have tiny account. I got busted several times already, so it's not easy. Then yeah, and I have gate duty tomorrow. My wife and I have to wake up early, and as much as possible before 6 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. It should be that we are on our way to our work, to school, because my wife and I, we work in a different school, but we have the same schedule to have our gate duty, to stand right there at the gate to greet the students, you know, like that. Administrative work aside from teaching. So that's why not easy life being a teacher, and at the same time you do gardening. But I hope if my hobby like this, doing gardening, will harvest like some kind of good fruits out of my labor for many years. Until now I only have 400 subscribers, and I've been uploading videos. I think I have around 167 videos now. So I don't know, but I just keep going with this. I'll just keep going, doing what I love, and I never think anymore about making money from this particular method vlogging, because right now the system, the niche is very saturated. and I think there's no hope for that kind of dream. I don't know. So YouTube friends, to support our YouTube channel, will make this community a big one in the coming days, in the coming years. And it's getting dark now. I'm almost done. This is the last pot that we have to clean out, and probably later this evening I have to transfer the pigweed plants that I already cut halfway to the top. I'll be replanting the trunk that remain right there on the other location. That pigweed plants just emerged together with our onion chives there as well. So I'll do more cleaning, and it will be on a live stream, hopefully on Sunday. And then I think that is all. So we're all set here, finished. I think that video is a bit long already. Okay, we have 5 large pots here with onion chives in it, and then we've got all these weeds, all these grasses, and I'm pretty sure the chickens will love eating this one. So I'll bring this to the chicken coop. And thank you for watching once again, YouTube friends. See you in the next vlog.